Hello everyone and welcome back to Monument Auto. Today's going to be a very quick video just replacing this exterior window trim or weather stripping. As you can see here, it's been peeling on my vehicle for quite some time, and as I understand it's quite common on vehicles of this era as well, the ML and GL series W164. As you can see here, I was driving on the highway one day and the trim just started to peel back and finally let go just from the force of the wind, leaving this ugly chrome finish. The other thing that happens is the weather stripping itself wears out, which could ultimately let water get in between the window and the door that could damage electronics, which obviously we do not want. I was able to order these direct kind of OEM replacements from Mercedes, and look at that difference. Look at that shine. Here's the original, kind of worn out with the water spots and the faded black coating compared to the new ones, and I think it's going to make such a big difference. To get started, all you have to do is pry up the kind of rear side of the window trim. There are two little metal brackets that hold it in place, and so you want to apply force directly upwards with a trim removal tool. Once you have the trim loosened a little bit, you can just switch over to using your fingers to slowly pry it up as you work your way forward along the vehicle until it's finally totally loose and you can remove it from the car. As you can see here, there's a kind of a raised metal ridge that the trim sits on, and there's a corresponding groove in the trim piece that you have to line up when reinstalling. At the rear here, you can see the metal clips I was talking about that help secure it in place. To reinstall the trim, you can see this groove on the underside. You need to line that up with the raised metal ridge here and then press it straight down into place. Once you've got the first section started, make sure it's pressed all the way forward before pressing down the rest of the trim. I found that just using my hands was enough, and it's the safest way to not damage your paint by using some sort of tool. The same process applies for the rear trim. You want to start on one end and carefully pry it straight up, and then use your hands to work it up as you go towards the front of the vehicle. There are the same two metal clips as the front, and the install is the exact same, just in reverse. You want to start with it on the rear side of the vehicle, make sure it's pressed fully back before you press it down towards the front and into the two metal clips. And look at the difference. It's so shiny, it matches the gloss black of this vehicle, and now the interior is also protected. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed and hope the video was helpful. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one.